Hello, everyone, and welcome to another XTIVIA live session. MuleSoft Takeaways from Dreamforce 2018, live from San Francisco with Indira Vishnampet. My name is Alex Killian, and I'm the video editor and digital media specialist on XTIVIA's marketing team. Before we dive into our live session this morning, I want to tell you just a little bit about our company. Since 1992, XTIVIA has established a proven reputation as a company that delivers cutting-edge IT solutions and technology support for our clients' specific requirements. Our service areas include mobile app development, BIDW, CRM, ERP, data management, web portal, digital experience design, and EIM services and solutions. XTIVIA's success stems from a demonstrated ability to deliver deep expertise via professional services, empowering our clients to leverage their chosen technology successfully, competitively, and profitably. XTIVIA has offices in Colorado, New Jersey, New York, Missouri, Texas, and Virginia. A little bit about MuleSoft. MuleSoft, or Mule, is the digital bridge that connects your applications and makes them talk to each other. So today, we will be hearing from Indira Vishnampet, Senior Vice President of EIM for XTIVIA, and she's coming to us live from San Francisco, where she's been attending the Dreamforce 2018 conference. Indira is responsible for the overall operation and sales of EIM at XTIVIA and the day-to-day operations of XTIVIA's offshore center located in Hyderabad, India. Prior to joining XTIVIA in 2015, Indira was the CEO of Hydas Incorporated for 15 years. And overall, Indira has 20 years of experience encompassing 2 Fortune 500, 1 Fortune 50, and 2 additional startup companies. Indira, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you, Alex, for having me. Well, I'm here to talk about Dreamforce, and it is one of the largest conferences with over 170,000 attendees this year. You can pretty much see that in the streets of San Francisco this week. And it's just been a great experience for me. My objective really to be in Salesforce, the Dreamforce conference, is to see how the acquisition of MuleSoft by Salesforce has definitely changed any messages that MuleSoft may be sharing with us. In April 2018, Salesforce acquired MuleSoft, and Salesforce has been definitely driving a lot about MuleSoft to their customers. And MuleSoft has seen a huge growth over the last year. When I attended Connect, the message that was given by their CEO was that they had new logos of about 180 customers that they signed up in the prior 12 months, which I think is huge. And as XTIVIA being a partner, a strategic partner of MuleSoft, I'd like to see how we can help our customers with the implementation and the message that Salesforce is driving.
All right. So what would you say is your biggest takeaway from the conference this year?
Okay, so I actually saw, and you have it in the quote below, is the precursor to integration is clean data. I mean, this is a very, very powerful message for me. It's great to see how MuleSoft is emphasizing on data cleansing and data migration into Salesforce. You see, we see many, many large companies that are challenged with their data that's being fed into Salesforce and other systems. And, my philosophy is your data is only as good as how clean it is. And so it's good to see that the vendors are now taking a holistic approach to see that not only the process is important, but the quality of data is also equally important.
All right, awesome. So what would you suggest is the first step with integrating Salesforce using MuleSoft?
Okay, so kind of extension to the first question that you asked me, having a clean data to migrate is very, very crucial. I'd recommend that you read about the case study that we have around data migration. It's on our website. And I think, Alex, you probably will share the link at the end of our session. That definitely kind of gives us a lot of great ideas around how we took an approach of data migration and how we decided to do data cleansing before that, and how it was a big task for us as well. We also have some great presentations around lesson learned from our team that is created. And this is more than, just us trying to put this together. These were, tips that were provided to us by our ETL developers and our data architects. It's about a 30-minute session, but I would definitely encourage all of our attendees, if they do want to be able to get more information around it, to take the time to just maybe schedule a time for us to do this. Definitely worthwhile, even if it's, if nothing else, it's a great lesson learned tool that you can probably leverage from.
Yeah, definitely. So what would you like to know about the MuleSoft changes after joining Salesforce?
See, Salesforce has this great training program called the Trailblazers, and it's a great approach in how they help the Salesforce community actually move from one level to another. And what I'd like to see is how MuleSoft is going to change their training curriculum now that they're part of Salesforce. And yesterday I had a chance to listen into a session Circle of Success for partners. And they definitely emphasized on how they would like to go ahead and move towards the Trailblazer approach. I'm sure it's probably not going to happen overnight, but I'm definitely interested to see, being that XTIVIA's both a Salesforce as well as a MuleSoft partner, it would be nice to see it integrated into one curriculum, so our team can definitely leverage that and provide a better service to our customers.
Yeah. So can you talk a little bit about our partnership with MuleSoft and Salesforce?
Certainly. So we've been partners with MuleSoft for a few years, and I recall the first MuleSoft Connect that I actually attended, maybe say 4 or 5 years ago, don't quote me on this, there were about 400 attendees. And the past one that I attended back in May had 4,000 attendees. So span of 4 years, I mean, they have, grown significantly. And, with so many certified MuleSoft developers that we have as XTIVIA, and some of them actually have taken a really approach into also being MuleSoft certified. I'd like to see how we can focus on taking advantage of the growth that we're having, and also see if we can provide the expertise to our clients with the partnership, and also obtaining all the tools that we have been provided as well. Salesforce partnership, we have been partners of Salesforce for many, many years. As a matter of fact, Sean Mohan, who's my counterpart in the CRM team, actually leads this effort. And the last time I had a conversation with him, he actually said the exact same thing, to see how this would actually be helpful in the long run for him as well, mainly from training. As a matter of fact, him and I had a long discussion around this as well.
All right, so do you want to talk a little bit about our work with MuleSoft and everything we've done with that?
Absolutely. As a matter of fact, we were, not to share anything that would divulge any NDAs, we have been working on one of the largest implementations of MuleSoft, I think, in the last 48 months, which includes integrating about 700 applications with over, don't quote me, and I think right now to date it's about 1,100 integration points. It's a huge approach that we've been having, and therefore it's been a massive effort in doing so. And coincidentally, they're also Salesforce customers as well. So it's definitely, we've seen the 360-degree view, as a lot of them call it, to see how we can integrate information into Salesforce, and provided that the information that we're actually towards Salesforce or into Salesforce is actually going to be usable by the customers as well. In addition, XTIVIA comes from a long history of ESBs. We've worked with many other partners, not just MuleSoft. So it's not just the tool or technology that we are interested in. It is really the process of how to go about getting a customer ready to have them implement a new integration tool as well.
Okay, awesome. So
in addition to,
yeah, go ahead.
In addition to the ESB or MuleSoft expertise that we have, the enterprise information management of XTIVIA also has several other areas that we actually work towards. This is what I call as an agile enterprise. We have, starting from business process automation to master data management, but before that, data governance. All of that encompasses, in addition to SOA, as the enterprise information management. So anything that has to do with data movement, definitely we're able to service our clients. So we don't look at a solution just based on the tool only, but we look at the solution as an overall implementation and how and what best way to approach in order for the customer to benefit from there and get their ROI as soon as possible.
So we do have some downloads for everybody today. One of them is a case study detailing some of the recent work we've been doing with EIM and MuleSoft. And so please check those out. They will be in the description box on the YouTube video. And with that, I think we're going to wrap up our live session this morning. Please don't hesitate to reach out to Indira if you have any questions come up. And as always, this live session will be available on our YouTube channel immediately following this here. Another reminder, our XTIVIA live sessions are happening every second and fourth Thursday of the month, so please be sure and tune in next time. And if you enjoyed this live session, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date. And Indira, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you. If I may add one thing, do take a look at the blogs for those. And I've been hearing a lot about customers that want to transition from Mule 3 to Mule 4 and some of the advantages, some of the roadblocks, why they should be. It's definitely clearly stated in some of those blogs, so take a look at those.
All right. And thank you for joining us, everybody. Have a great Thursday.
Thank you, Alex.